That FRT file is a Visual FoxPro report definition, the layout blueprint that transforms raw database records into formatted printable reports. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, run, or migrate these database report files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like FRT. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. FRT files are report definition files for Visual FoxPro storing page, layouts, data groupings, calculated fields, and print formatting for generating database reports. They work alongside FRX report memo files to define the complete report structure and data presentation. Visual FoxPro FRT files use a proprietary table-based format, storing report band definitions, including header detail and footer sections, with field positions, expressions, font specifications, and data grouping rules. They reference FRX files for extended report object properties. The recommended application from Microsoft Corporation for handling FRT is unequivocally Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows displays only the file shell, while full content access requires a database application. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the FRT file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Visual FoxPro if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. When your FRT file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since this FRT format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, opening the report. Install Visual FoxPro and open the FRT file via File. Then open Selecting Report as the file type. The report designer displays the report layout with all bands, fields, and formatting. Use Report Form command in the command window to preview or print the report. Next, running reports. In the Visual FoxPro command window, type Report Form, Report Name Preview to display the report on screen, or Report Form, Report Name to Printer to print directly. Set the data environment and filters before running to control which records appear in the report output. Finally, migrating reports. Since Visual FoxPro is discontinued, recreate reports in modern tools. Document the FRT report layout, including field positions, grouping logic and calculated expressions. Rebuild reports using Crystal reports, SQL Server, reporting services, or web-based reporting frameworks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.